Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Phone Transformer. Today, we're counting down the 5 best golf apps for Android, designed to help you improve your game and have more fun on the course. We've ranked them based on popularity, features, and how easy they are to use. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list is SwingU. This app stands out as a top-performing free golf rangefinder and scorecard, trusted by more than 7 million golfers. With a stellar 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 53,000 reviews, it's a favorite for its accuracy and reliability. The 3 standout features of SwingU are Handicap and Scorecard tracking. This lets you easily keep a digital scorecard for every round you play and track your handicap over time. Green reading maps. With detailed maps, you can get a better read on the greens to help you sink those putts. Plays like distances. The app provides AI-powered distances and club recommendations based on real-time factors like wind and elevation. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app's interface. When you open it, the Home tab gives you a clear overview of your recent activity and tips. Tapping on stats allows you to dive into a detailed breakdown of your performance, helping you identify areas for improvement. Over in the TV section, you can find a library of instructional videos. Finally, the play button is where you'll start a new round, getting you straight to the course to use the rangefinder and scorecard features. At number 4 is the Grint, an app trusted by millions of golfers worldwide. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 5,000 reviews, the Grint is a powerful golf GPS, handicap tracker, and stats analyzer all in one. Here are 3 of its key features. Official handicap management. The app lets you link and manage an official handicap index, making it easy to track your progress and compete. Advanced GPS and Wear OS integration. It provides precise GPS maps for over 40,000 courses globally, and it works seamlessly with your smartwatch, so you don't have to keep your phone out. Score tracking and social features. You can easily track your score from your phone or watch, and even share your progress with friends in a built-in community. Now let's explore the app's layout. On the main home screen, you'll see a social feed of your friends' recent rounds and a quick summary of your own stats. Tapping on the Stats button takes you to a deep dive analytics page, where you can see your performance metrics, from fairways hit to putts. The Career tab gives you a long-term view of your game, showing your handicap history and achievements. Finally, the Play button is your go-to for starting a new round, where you can select a course, add players, and get right into the action. At number 3 on our list is Golf Shot. With a 4.5-star rating from over 15,000 reviews, Golf Shot is a popular GPS app that provides everything you need on the course, including scoring, shot tracking, and detailed statistics. Here are 3 standout features. Real-time GPS distances. The app gives you accurate distances to greens, hazards, and targets on more than 46,000 courses worldwide. 3D course previews. You can plan your entire round before you even get to the tee box with high-quality 3D flyover previews of each hole. Smartwatch integration. By keeping your phone in your pocket, you can view your game and track shots directly from your wrist with the Wear OS integration. Let's take a look at the interface. The home screen is your central hub, showing your recent rounds, stats, and a shortcut to start playing. From the Courses tab, you can search for and explore any course you want, either by browsing or using the search function. If you're looking to book a round, the Tee Times option lets you find and reserve a spot directly within the app. Finally, the Videos section provides a library of instructional content and tips to help you improve your game. At number 2 on our list is Hole 19. Trusted by over 4 million golfers, this app provides accurate GPS yardages and performance tracking, all for free. It has a solid 4.2-star rating from over 27,000 reviews, making it a very popular choice. Here are 3 features that make it stand out. Accurate GPS yardages. Get precise distances to the front, back, and center of the green on over 42,000 courses worldwide. Phone and watch integration. You can track scores and view maps directly from your phone or your Wear OS smartwatch. Handicap calculation. The app can automatically calculate your handicap, allowing you to easily track your improvement over time. Now, let's explore the user interface. The feed is the main screen, where you'll see a social network-like view of your friends' recent rounds and a place to share your own. Tapping on the Performance tab provides detailed statistics and insights into your game, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Over in Challenges, you can join monthly competitions to test your skills against other golfers and even win prizes. Finally, the Me tab is your personal profile, where you can see highlights of your golf career and manage your account settings. At number 1, we have 18 Birdies. This app is a favorite among golfers, with a perfect 5 out of 5-star rating from over 47,000 reviews. It's a comprehensive tool that combines GPS technology, a digital scorecard, and powerful game improvement features to help you lower your scores. Here are 3 of its standout features. Free handicap tracking. The app automatically calculates and tracks your handicap for free, making it easy to monitor your progress over time. Green maps. With the app's detailed green maps, you can see slopes and putt breaks, which helps you plan your shots and read greens more effectively. AI coach and tips. You can get personalized training, drills, and tips, including an AI swing analyzer that provides instant feedback to improve your game. Now let's walk through the user interface. The Community tab serves as a social feed, where you can connect with friends and share your rounds. Under the Courses tab, you can search for and explore over 43,000 courses worldwide to plan your next round. When you're ready to play, the play button gets you right into the action with the GPS, scorecard, and other in-round features. The School tab offers access to lessons and drills to help you improve your swing. Finally, the Me tab is your personal profile, where you can find your stats and a complete history of your rounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more content like this.